Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Ubisoft Connect integrates with Steam. Many players wonder about the best way to connect these two platforms for a smooth gaming experience. The good news is, for games purchased on Steam, the process is largely automatic and quite straightforward. We will walk you through each step, ensuring you understand exactly what happens when you launch your favorite Ubisoft titles from your Steam library. Get ready to streamline your gaming setup. The core of connecting your accounts happens automatically when you first launch a Ubisoft game from your Steam library. Simply select the game and click play. This action will automatically open the Ubisoft Connect application on your computer. You will then see a pop-up window asking you to log into your existing Ubisoft account or create a new one. After logging in, confirm the account linking, and your game will be associated with that Ubisoft profile. Once your accounts are linked, the Ubisoft game you launched will now appear in your Ubisoft Connect library, alongside any other Ubisoft titles you own. From this point forward, launching that game from Steam will directly open it, often bypassing the Ubisoft Connect launcher interface. If you encounter an error message like game linked to a different account, simply log out of Ubisoft Connect and log back in with the correct account. For persistent issues, reaching out to Ubisoft support is always a good next step. Linking your accounts offers several benefits, primarily providing a unified library experience for your Ubisoft games purchased on Steam. To ensure a smooth experience, always keep your login credentials for both Steam and Ubisoft Connect secure. Additionally, regularly updating both platforms to their latest versions can prevent many common issues. Remember, this linking process is specifically for Ubisoft games bought on Steam. Games purchased directly from Ubisoft Connect cannot be added to your Steam library in the same way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.